Friends, we are talking about a very new osteoinductive product in the shoulder which increases the healing of the rotator cuff. This product is called as a Regenten, and the product is something like this. So this comes in two sizes, medium and large. Now this is a very unique product. This is the world's costliest implant which increases the healing in the rotator cuff. And this can be used in both partial rotator cuff tears and a complete rotator cuff tears. It is basically a collagen patch, but it is used to increase the healing. The size is about 2 millimeter thick, and as I told you, it is available in two sizes. And this is a product which increases the natural healing of the rotator cuff. It decreases the re-tear rates and it increases the post-op function of the patient and also reduces the post-op pain of this patient. So this is one of the most innovative advances that we have in the shoulder rotator cuff repair surgeries nowadays. Luckily, it will be available in India very soon. Now this implant is called as a Regenten implant, and this is actually marketed by Smith & Nephew. Now this basically implant is an implant which comes along with the implant per se, that is the collagen patch. And there are two sets of instruments which are used to fix it. These are the bioabsorbable staples which are used to fix the implant to the tendon. And these are bone staplers which are used to fix this implant onto the bone. So if you can see here, this is the rotator cuff. This is the footprint of the rotator cuff. And there is this is the patch. In the way we apply it, about 3/4 of the portion is on the tendon and 1/4 of the portion is on the footprint. And here we have to apply the staples like this to fix the patch onto the tendon. This patch is actually supplied in this kind of a box. After that, we need to fix the patch onto the bone, and for this sort of stapler gun is used to fix it up. So there are two things. So the first thing is we put it here, and this makes a hole, pilot hole kind of a thing like this, and then we have to fire it like this, and this will lead to a very strong fixation. You can see that this is the way we make the pilot holes, and it is the peak anchor which is inserted. So this sort of a peak anchor is there which is inserted right into the bone along with the patch. So basically it provides a scaffold on which the healing will take place, and it is documented that the re-tear rates have been reduced to 25% to 3% in level 1 studies. So overall this is a very promising product as far as the rotator cuff repair surgery is concerned, and using it will actually reduce the chances of re-tears and improve the patient specific outcomes. If you have any queries, you can write us on the comment box about this unique Regenten implant system which is useful in rotator cuff repairs. Thank you.